Which of the following infectious agent can be transmitted by blood transfusion? A. Hepatitis. B. HIV. C. Plasmodium. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Infectious agent like hepatitis C, hepatitis B, HIV, malaria, and syphilis can be transmitted by blood transfusion. All are the complications of massive blood transfusion except A. Hyperkalemia, B. Alkalosis, C. Hypercalcemia, D. Hypothermia. And the correct answer is C. Hypercalcemia. Complications of blood transfusion are hyperkalemia, circulatory overload, hypocalcemia, disease transmission, citrate toxicity, iron overload, metabolic alkalosis, hypothermia, anaphylactic reactions, allergic reaction, etc. When administering blood to a patient, it is important to A. Administer each unit within 4 hours. B. Use a infusion pump to administer blood. C. Run the blood at slower during first 10 to 15 minutes. D. Drawn blood sample after blood transfusion. And the correct answer is C. Run the blood at slower during first 10 to 15 minutes. Acute hemolytic transfusion reactions usually develop within first 15 minutes of the transfusion. So run the blood at slower rate during initial 15 minutes and observe the patient closely for early detection of life-threatening reaction. A blood transfusion should be completed within 4 hours to A. Prevent a hemolytic transfusion reaction. B. Prevent fluid overload. C. Prevent bacterial growth. D. Prevent hypothermia. And the correct answer is C. Prevent bacterial growth. A unit of blood should be transfused within 4 hours to maintain biological effectiveness and limit the risk of bacterial growth. Which nursing action is most important before starting an infusion of packed red blood cells intravenously? A. Weighing the patient as a baseline assessment. B. Finding out whether an 18 gauge needle is being used. C. Checking the HB and SCT levels. D. Clearing the existing tubing with 5% dextrose in water. And the correct answer is B. Finding out whether an 18 gauge needle is being used. Always use an 18 gauge needle for blood transfusion to prevent damage of red blood cells and to provide smooth flow of blood transfusion. Rapid administration of blood containing citrate cause A. Hypokalemia, B. Hyperkalemia, C. Hypocalcemia, D. Hypercalcemia. And the correct answer is C. Hypocalcemia. During rapid or massive blood transfusion, the citrate present into the blood that is used as an anticoagulant bind with calcium of blood which may result into hypocalcemia. Donation of patient's own blood prior to his scheduled surgery is called A. Autologous, B. Homologous, C. Monologous, D. Heterologous. And the correct answer is A. Autologous. Autologous blood transfusion is a procedure used for collecting and storing a patient's own blood from 5 weeks to 3 days before surgery. It reduces the risk of disease transmission complications. Effect of platelets transfusion is checked by A. Increased hematocrit level, B. Increased hemoglobin level, C. Reduced oozing from puncture site, D. Reduced body temperature. And the correct answer is C. Reduced oozing from puncture site. Which is the complication of blood transfusion? A. Hyponatremia, B. Hyperkalemia, C. Hypercalcemia, D. Increased serum albumin. And the correct answer is B. Hyperkalemia.